Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can connect notes within your workspace on Evernote. So let us dive into this. So guys, head over to the notes overview here inside your workspace on Evernote and pick the note you would like to connect with the other one. I will go with this one here for the sake of this tutorial. Next, what you want to do is click into the text field, but instead of entering a new command, click into insert here in the top left. And from that menu, select link to note here. And that is going to give you access to this list of all notes you have already created within your workspace. So which one was it? And that one here. So I will link it to this one. So you see the instruction here, enter to add, or press enter and that's it. You will see the overview of the linked note if you hover your mouse over it, and that's it. You may press enter again to skip to the next line, and that's how you connect notes on Evernote. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.